In this video, let's look at Zoho Books as a beginner that you can use for your business. So Zoho is a comprehensive accounting platform for your business. When you look at the features, you can do a lot of stuff such as invoicing, sales orders, bills, purchase orders, projects, banking, inventory, expenses, reporting, even your tax reporting, tax accounting. A lot of stuff you can do with Zoho Books. When it comes to pricing, this will be based on your country, whether you pay it monthly, yearly. In my case, I'm from India, so it's showing me 749 rupees per month for the standard plan, 1499 professional and premium. So basically three types of accounts you can have. With the standard, you'll get 3 users. With professional, you'll get 5 users, and with premium, you get 10 users. To use Zoho Books, you'll need to create account. Click sign up now. You get premium plan trial for 14 days. Enter your company name, enter your email address, your mobile number, your password, and your country. Click create account. Once you have signed in, you need to set up your organization profile, the organization name, the particular industry that you are in, consulting, your country details, organization address, your currency, your language, time zone. Click get started. This is the main dashboard of Zoho. On the left, you can see you have items, banking, sales, purchases, time tracking, accountant reports, documents, payroll. A lot of features are available. On your main dashboard, you'll get some details, things to do before the fiscal year end. So it gives you some prompts and suggestions what you can do. In items, you can add all your goods and services in the inventory. So suppose I have a service, I have that. Can have any particular unit. In my case, it's just a service, so not required. Can add the sales information, your selling price and your cost price. Click save. In banking, you can connect your bank account, so any payments you are being done will get credited to your bank account. Or if you are doing some payments for some other good service, even those you can manage from here. They can connect automatically or add it manually. In sales, you can add a new customer, create new customer, give the first name, last name, whether it's a business or individual, and give a company name, customer display name, their email, their phone number, if any, other details such as address. You can even change the currency if it's international customers, and the conversion will be applied automatically. It's saved and the customer has been added. Now you can create invoices for a particular customer. Go to invoices, new invoice. You can have a single payment or you can have a recurring payment created. Here you can set your transaction preferences. Do you want to give any discounts, any shipping charges, adjustments, any particular rounding? Give the customer name or select a particular customer. Give the invoice number, order number, if any, invoice date when you want, and the due date when you want it to be paid. Any particular subject line if you want to mention something to the customer on what this invoice is about. Then the item table, you can select a particular item. This is now already created service product. I can add a new item. It will automatically fill it over here. You can add any notes for the customer. Once you're done, click save and send, and it will get sent to the customer. This is how the email will look to the customer, and there will be an attached invoice PDF. If you hit send, it will get sent to the customer where they can do the payment. Once the payment is done, you will see it over here in payments received that the invoice has been paid. And the same for this recurring invoices. You can create recurring invoices from here. To create new recurring invoice, select the customer, give it a particular name. How often do you want to repeat this recurring invoice, whether it's a monthly payment, when it starts and when it ends, and the due date. Then select the particular item for which you want this recurring invoice and click save. So every month at that particular date, this invoice will get sent to this particular customer for payment. Once the payment is done, you will again see it in this payments received. Now, if you do any particular purchases from other vendors, you can have it over here under purchases. You can create a new vendor over here from which you are going to do the purchase. You can have your particular expenses. If you are buying something, you can have it recorded under expenses, whether it's a single time expense or a recurring expense for your business. You'll have your purchase orders created over here. Create new purchase order if you are purchasing anything for your business. You can store your bills over here under bill section and import the bills or create it manually. All the payments that you make will be listed under here when you pay the bills or purchase orders or the recurring bill payments. Under time tracking, you can track the time for your particular project, but you need to create your project first and then allocate particular members who are working on that project. And then you have a timesheet that you can create for this particular project. So you fill the timesheet or log time into this, and your team members will log time into this so you can track it. Last we see is the report section. Here you get lots of reports you can use for a business, for your accounting, for your tax purposes. You get a profit and loss report, you get a cash flow statement, you get a balance sheet, you get sales by customer, sales by item, customer balances. Lot of reports are available: payment received, recurring invoice details, vendor balances. All the reports you can get under the report section. You can get your tax summary, TDS summary using reports. You can get your banking reconciliation status under the reports and check all of your expenses and purchases under the reports. If you are using projects with team members, you can check the project timesheet details and the project details over here. So that's all the basic details you know to start using Zoho Book as a beginner for your business. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.